Man, that's annoying. Two casts in a row though. Oh God. Got him again. Big one. Big one. Get that net ready. This is big. This is really big. Holy crap. Get that net ready. What is up, guys? I'm getting ready to go do some more dam fishing. Gonna try and get some more hybrids. They've been absolutely just stacked in there, so I'm gonna keep fishing there until they're not stacked, because it's a ton of freaking fun, and I haven't got a giant yet. Got some good ones, but I want to get like a 10 pounder. That's what I really want to catch. But yeah, let's just jump into it. Stay tuned.
How are you?
Pretty good. Thank you.
So I gotta leave in about an hour, so you have the spot for a little bit.
Oh, no, you're good, man. I can reach it from here anyway. Now let me show you how this works.
Okay.
That was quick. Put on blade bait. Oh, drum? Alright, Faith, so look. Gotta like cast it in there. And you let it like kind of roll in there.
Okay.
They're hitting right there by it. You see that? See, that's what you don't want to happen, huh? Big one too. Feels good. I got a net. I'm probably going to. Hey, I'm gonna need your help on this net, Faith. It's a good one. So unravel it and then like hold this right here.
Unravel the whole thing?
Yeah, just unravel all that and hold it. Then we're gonna have to drop it down further. I haven't even seen it yet. Where is he? Hold on. It's a big one. Where is he? Where is he?
See your bobber.
It's gotta be a good one. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Alright. I'll make sure that net's like in the water, you know what I mean? Use this fighter. Alright, now, I'll tell you to pull up. Pull up. Nice. Nice job, babe. Nice job! No, he's not bad though. I thought he was bigger. He was fighting. He's fat. Not bad. He's really fat. It's not that long. Fatty. Yeah, I thought he was way bigger than that though.
So are you keeping him? Or?
No, I'm letting him go. He fought heavier than that big one I caught the other. Like, it's fat though. Not a bad little hybrid. Hey, bro. Oh God. Oh no. That's not the way I wanted him to land. He's all right though. That wasn't that far though. That's why I didn't drop him from up here. That's good. I just let it sit there. No. Oh yeah, you do got one. Oh my God. What? Just keep fighting him. He's a little guy. He's a little guy. He's like, oh, it's a white bass though. You might be able to reel him up. Be careful now.
You can't really get him.
All right, here, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Down?
No, just back up. Here, hold the pole still. Might have to tighten your drag. Keep him the reel while I'm doing that. He choked it. Nope.
Got it there.
Yep. Look at him. Try getting the land hit first. He's all right. You did it. I didn't think you had. I didn't think you had one. How big is it? What do you got? Stay down. Oh, you got a monster. You got a hybrid, I think.
Oh my God, he's pulling stuff on.
Sorry, where's your drag at? I don't want to get too tight. It's gotta be a hybrid. I think this is a really big white bass.
Oh my gosh.
It could be a little hybrid. We'll use a net for him, alright? Careful. Careful. More. Jeez. That's actually a pretty good one. Reel, yeah, you reeling? It's a hybrid. He didn't fight as hard as that other one.
Woo! He's a big one now. At least
Yep, I'd take him down here. He's big. You don't want to belly smack too hard. Pretty good one. Not bad. I hate throwing from the side, but oh, that's perfect. Perfect.
I tried to like
Oh, that was perfect.
hustle like a football.
Nice. What you got?
I don't know if it's very big.
Oh, you got the spot over there though. How big is he? Tell you what, that's like a huge white bass, so we'll go ahead and net him because that's like giant for a white bass.
That's a white bass?
Yeah, it's a huge white bass. Normally I wouldn't care about the white bass, but because he looks huge, like maybe I'm just tripping. Look at this way. It's heavy.
Yeah. So I thought he was big.
I mean, he's a big white bass. Super fast. I mean, it's a big white bass. All right, toss him in. Oh God. Who you got? You got a big one?
I think he's way bigger.
Well, I'll horse him. That's not a white bass. Try to, you can reel him up. It's gonna be tough, but you can get him. Oh, might be even bigger. It's a big ass white bass. Ah! What do you got going on with your hook up here? That's a big white bass.
I don't know what he's that one.
That's insane that you're killing them in that corner.
Okay, give me a. I want a picture with this way though.
Yeah, that one might die.
Why? Get your pliers, babe.
I don't have him. I got him. He's all right. Got lucky. It was deep, but it wasn't on anything.
You got a chunk out of his tail.
All right, toss her. I don't know yet. Maybe. He's starting to fight. Oh, he got off! Oh my God! What? Yeah, that was another big wiper. It's 2 in a row. First one I broke off. That one just somehow pulled off. What in the world is going on, huh? I don't know how that one got off. I'm gonna put a little bit of worm on her and see if that entices him to bite more. Man, that's annoying. Two casts in a row though. Oh God. Got him again. Big one. Big one. Get that net ready. This is big. This is really big. Holy crap. Get that net ready. Wow. This one's big. Oh, this one's like almost too big. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad if I lose this one. This is a big one. It's a big boy. That's crazy. That's 3 casts in a row, babe. I put the night crawler on. He smelled it, I think.
You just put the neck on.
Well, I tipped it with it. Where's the net at?
Nice. It's right here.
I can't even move this guy. Look at this.
Don't fight your tire over.
Trying.
Is this the not bottom?
Oh my gosh, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna come around you. I'm gonna try. See him? It's a big one. It's a big one. Look how big he is. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so much fun when they're hitting like this. It's 3 in a row. Oh, he's big. Yeah, he's fat. Okay, your net's weird. You gotta get the net right. I don't have enough line out. Okay, he's ready, so I need... Oh my god, this thing's huge. Hey. Oh my god, he's gonna freak out. No. Hold on. Start to lift up. No, stop, back down. Now let it sink. No, let it sink. Lift. Try to lift up. Go, you got him. Jeez.
Look, you had it tied funny.
I didn't tie it funny, it got
Why is
messed up.
Well, it's like that when it comes up here. It's a shame you tied like that.
Look at the size of this one.
You understand?
Yeah, oh my god. That one's huge. I was like freaking out because I didn't want to lose them. Holy hell. Look at the size of them. I mean, that's like 7 pounds. God. That's crazy. It's like at least 6. That net was a cluster. We're gonna have to fix that. I don't know how we didn't lose them, honestly. freaking giant. Yeah, it looks really good. It's a giant. It's as big as you. Look. Oh my god. That was intense. That was 3 in a row like that. I'm afraid I don't want to drop this guy from this high. Whew. Man. That was nuts. Here, give me 5. Good job on the net. It was scary. I thought we were gonna lose it.
I know, we need extra nets outside, right?
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me get outfished by my girlfriend. I did catch the biggest fish, though. I caught the first fish, the last fish, and the biggest fish. So that's all that really counts. But yeah, she caught like 5 of them or something. I actually only caught 2 fish today, which is really slow. But we weren't there that long, and I broke like 3 off like an idiot because my line was frayed. And the one time I knew it was frayed, I should have checked it. But I still landed a good one. Last fish of the day, thank God, because I would have been a little bit bummed. Just a little bit. You know, not too bummed, but a little bit bummed if I wouldn't have caught that big fish. But yeah, this is the 3rd video in a row at that dam catching these hybrids. Probably gonna give them a little bit of a break for a while because that's 3 videos in a row. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing pretty much the same stuff. Definitely gonna be back there, you know, within the next week or so because it's just so much freaking fun catching those things. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.